Have you ever wondered why we yawn? Most people think yawning only happens when you're tired. But that's not the whole story. Scientists believe yawning may help cool down your brain and keep it alert. That's why you can yawn even when you're not sleepy. And here's something even stranger. Yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, or even hear about yawning, you might yawn too. Researchers think this may be linked to empathy and social connection. So the next time you yawn, remember, your brain might just be trying to stay cool and focused. Follow for more amazing human